Rochdale, Riverside lift tour time. First into Puttstars / Real Cinema. Is the button broken? There we go. Weird key switch. Call locked. Cinema's closed. No way. Okay. Comes one. Capacity 30 persons, 1,000 kilos installed 2019. I thought this was 2020. Here's a Puttstars golf. Oh no way, the cinema is that boarded up? That's completely boarded up. No way. Oh wow. Imagine office. No way. NMX motor, security camera. It was a wet floor, so I didn't notice that. Got the runner moments. There's a speaker. Next is the River Island. Oh, it's got a voice. Pretty sure. I've had that voice. There's the lift going up voice sounded weird. Capacity 6 kilos, 8 persons, installed 2020.
First floor.
Kleeman, installed by Lift Source UK Limited. About ground floor, but it's always been like that. No smoking sign. Memory's sounding a bit weird last time I came as well, actually.
Ground floor.
Ground floor.
Doors opening.
Doors opening. They're not on YouTube, aka the best social media site though. Now into H&M. This is one big H&M store. It's also one of the most modern H&M stores I've been in. Has a monospace. Oh, it's like
Going up. Doors
buttons are still in
closing.
pretty good condition. Capacity 1,000 kilos, 8 persons, installed 2020. I think my lens is a bit wet.
First floor.
Oh no, the indicator is
Doors
yeah.
opening.
The indicators. Oh, slow doors.
Going down.
Oh, is it not as wide on
Doors
up
closing.
here? Still, I don't think it's just like wide up here.
Ground floor.
Ground floor.
Doors opening.
Yeah, it indicates like more frosted in some parts than other parts. Oh no, I think it is. I think it is as narrow. Now into next. It's a narrow store, but it goes quite far back. It's also got two in. I think it gets a bit wider at the end. Lift. how someone's using it. What's got a side entrance? Well, that light's dead. Right.
Mind the doors.
Mind the doors. Yeah, they're still there. They were there when I went to KONE in February. Who'd do that? Capacity 1600 kilos, 21 persons, installed 2020, Tecno, MRL. Not so very healthy. Why the next MRLs never sound healthy? What are the next MRLs?
First floor.
First floor.
Mind the doors.
Got a label there.
Mind the doors.
The light's dead. Yeah, the Tecno light's dead. The logo.
Ground floor.
Yeah, I think that's for both the staff floors, but it only says 0 staff. Also, that's a dot yes. And it just sits here with its doors open. But and S time. Lots expensive. Lift. Apparently this is one of the Your Amnest stores, but it only says that on the website, on the map, or a photo of the map, because it's not a map on the website. Right, someone's gone up in it. Someone else went up in it as well. Right now. I think it was a recall feature, but I don't know, someone is coming down there. Otis Gen 2 string, capacity 2,000 kilos, 26 persons, installed 2020. It's like perfection. That is absolute perfection, that leveling. Perfection and slight advanced door opening. Hopefully, other companies are also going to start doing that soon. But I doubt it, to be honest. Right, I don't want to wait till the doors close. Now it's the second lift. Let's go to the car park. Oh no! Oh come on, M&S. Yeah, I don't think. Same capacity installation date is the last one. I don't think the directory thing's wearing off is a reason to do that. That is. What? That's not even the right type. Oh, that is so bad. Right, I'm giving my legs people go down. I've never been out here before. I didn't go out last time. Oh, I've not seen the other panel. Yeah. Just get another directory thing. Or just use 0, 1 and 2, or ground 1 and 2, or whatever the old actual floor number for the lift is, or on the buns are different. Why don't they just get? Christ, one creaky door. Why don't they just get the buttons say ground 1 originally? Just get a new tab thing. That is so. Can't believe they've done that. Right. Why is it my favourite if it was purple? It's blue. Oh, this one's still got it. Let's get very busy.
Hang on, that one. Yeah, but we have to go. We have to go down and then up. I've never gone in a different level.
I don't think the lift goes to. Oh, it must do.
No, it does it internally, but so head straight through is
Yeah,
about.
like, I can get the fact that they... Yeah, like, come on, you can't make that stuff up. That is bad. Like, what made them think it was... What made them want to do that? Why have they still got this? Why have they still got this cover over it? This is the car park. Capacity 1,000 kilos, 13 persons. Installed 2019. MonoSpace. Rooftop car park. And that's the end of the tour for 3